The struts, we need to actually look inside the hood of the car. So I'm gonna pop the hood here. I'll show you how they connect, what we have to get done here to replace the struts. So each strut is connected up here, and you can see that there's three nuts here attached to each, and I already kind of loosened those up. But there's 3 nuts tied in with the top part, and I'll show you what the new strut looks like. You can see that the spring's already loaded on this thing. I remember I got the struts with the springs preloaded because I don't have a device to compress that. And I was talking to a guy today, and he had a friend that came to work, and it looked like he'd been in a bar fight, and he was not your typical bar fighting kind of guy. So I find out what happened, and he was trying to load the spring onto his struts, and it got away from him and popped him in the face. So I've heard of guys even dying from these things, believe it or not. So I bought them preloaded, and you can see there's the three nuts up here that we're gonna have to, these are the replacement spots right here. So you can see that's gonna have to go up and then the end of that. So that's how that works. And then down here, we've got, I can get a light here, maybe it make it a little easier to see. We've got the strut. It comes from down here. You can see it goes through where we were just looking at. Comes down to here and attaches right here. So the trick is going to be we're going to have to remove this, I think, to get at this nut. We might have to remove this as well. I'm pretty sure we will. So we'll do that next.